Got your ass now.
So please. Hey, what's up everybody? Once again, my name is DJ from Krav Maga CDK. We're here with the CDK Bandit. A lot of people be asking me who he is. We just gonna call him the CDK Bandit. So going over attack where we are flanked, he came from the rear, and he has a stick. Now, the stick can be across my chest or it can be across my throat. I want to be able to address the immediate danger, and that's it going across my throat. I'm going to address this in two ways. Number one, I'm going to grab the stick, which is instinctive, making it more difficult for him to pull it around my throat. When I grab with a gable grip. A thumb grip, if it's a thumb grip, you can pull, but don't pull hard. It can pull right out of my hands. Okay, hold it here and pull. All right, it can come right out of my hands, but a gable grip makes it harder for him to pull it up to my throat. The second thing I want to do is get my chin tucked. That way, even if I'm late, he can pull, it goes against my chin and doesn't go against my throat. Now, I want to get one shoulder down and one shoulder up. I'm going to go with my left shoulder down and my right shoulder up. This gives me opportunity. I can strike, and now I want to get my head through. Once I get my head through, notice how his arms are crossed. This is a good position for me. I'm going to put it close to his body and come straight down, making it hard for him to hold the weapon. From here, if I can use the weapon if I need to, and do whatever I have to do in order to go home safe. Once again, key points to remember. Don't let it get to your throat. You have to get this as fast as possible. Get your chin tucked as much as possible. Dip your shoulder a lot. You can pull hard if you want. Pull. I'm in a good position here, okay? Now, I can go for a strike. If I don't go for a strike, I can still improve my position, and I can start striking from here since I am out of the danger of the choke. Again, make sure his arms are crossed. If his arms are not crossed, he can take the weapon, and I have to do the whole technique again. So make sure his arms are crossed, and that way it's easier for you to take the weapon. Krav Maga CDK, stick defense going against the throat.